It's an honor for me to introduce women of color as a speaker because it's something not very common to see a Black, a Latina, a Middle Eastern, and East Asian women as keynote speakers. Also, it is not common to see young professionals giving keynotes. Having Dr. Donna Oriowo today means representation, means empowerment, means recognition of women of color's work and knowledge. So, it is a pleasure for me, and I want you to welcome today Dr. Donna Oriowo.
Hey y'all. So I need you guys to prepare yourselves a little bit. So I'm going to be checking in with you. I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm a social worker. We don't do that. But with that, things to do for you during this presentation, pay attention. So to understand racism, you need to understand power, sexism, power, poverty, power. And in order to understand power, you need to listen to the powerless. That would be the giving up of the remote control. That would be listening to the people around you instead of having your voice be the one that was censored. But my point in presenting myself this way to you is to let you know that I am biased. And anyone that ever tells you that they are unbiased in what they're presenting is likely lying. Simply because we all come with baggage, whether or not we're using steamer trunks or small purses. We all have a history. We all have something that we're bringing forward into the work that we do. And to say that you are not biased is, I don't know who you're lying to at that point. You're either lying to yourself, but you're not really lying to me because I know that nobody is unbiased, in my unbiased opinion. Nuances are important. And oftentimes we lose the full experience because we are ignoring the nuances. So even the way that hair texture and color of skin, they're still rooted in white supremacy. They're still rooted in who's lighter than whom, has better hair texture than whom, is better than whom. And to be able to recognize those things are very important. So I'm happy that you had that minute to talk to your neighbor. But this is the question to ask yourself. Where is your privilege and what can't you easily see? To be blind to your privilege and to the difficulties of others is the only way you can be blind to that is when you deny your own privilege. And everybody has some level of privilege. If you're in this room, I'm gonna imagine that either you have the privilege of having a job that paid for you to be here or you were able to pay for it out of your own pocket. And if that is the case, then there's a privilege within that should not be denied. We are educationally privileged. There are people everywhere that are not able to learn what we are able to learn. So recognizing that privilege is important because it also helps to color the way we interact with others. And like I said, y'all, I don't work for free, so take down that information. I be looking for jobs.